Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In the coming series of videos, we are going to learn Python coding. If you follow this series of videos, after some days, you will be able to write coding in Python. So more than 200 programs we are going to learn in this playlist. So these programs are very helpful to crack any coding exam. So let's start our journey. So program one is, we are going to write a program to check the number is positive number or negative number. So this is the program for to determine a number is positive number and negative number. When you try to solve any coding problem, first we are going to understand the problem. Okay, so what is the problem here? We are going to determine a number is positive or negative. Here we get three cases. One is maybe the number is positive or negative or 0. Okay, so how we determine a number is a positive value? If the value is greater than 0, then we say that the number is a positive number. Similarly, if the value is less than 0, then we determine the number as a negative number. If it is equals to 0, then we determine the number is 0. Now we are going to write the program. The first instruction is n equals to int of input. This input function we are going to use to read the value from the keyboard. So for example, if I enter number 5, that is assigned to n value. But whatever you are going to read from the keyboard, that is in the string format. This is in the string format. So now I convert the string into integer. So I use int of function to convert the string into integer. Now the value of n equals to 5. Now we are going to find that the number is positive number or negative number or 0. So for that, here we are using if condition. We check if n equals to 0. If n equals to 0, then it prints 0 as output. If n not equals to 0, then the control goes to else if. In this else if, we check another condition, n greater than 0. If n greater than 0, then it prints positive as a output, else negative as a output. Now we see all the cases. If I enter n equals to minus 8, now minus 8 equals to 0. True or false? It is false. So the control moves to else if. In this else if, what is the condition? N greater than 0. That means minus 8 greater than 0. True or false? False. So the control moves to else part here, and it prints negative as output. If I give n equals to 9. Now 9 equals to 0. False. 9 greater than 0. True. So it prints positive as output. If I give n equals to 0, then if 0 equals to 0, yes, true, and it prints 0 as output. Okay, now we execute this program. If I give minus 8, it prints negative. If I give 9, it prints positive. If I give 0, it prints 0.